What is going on, guys? Good afternoon. It's your favorite mortgage lender, Abdel Kwame, Got Mortgages. We've got a lot to talk about. What happened towards the tail end of March? What's the expectation as we really started to see some updates on inflation, specifically in the month of March? We're going to dive right into it. Consumer inflation, as you guys can see, obviously had slowed down. These are the things that we're looking for, right? We know that the Federal Reserve has that dual mandate of inflation and employment. CPI, Consumer Price Index, dropped to 2.4%. So did the core, 2.8. If we look at that month over month, for the first time, we've actually seen a reduction on the headline numbers of 0.1%. Again, now if we look at the core CPI, like I said, that just jumped up just a tad, just 0.1%. Shelter costs have obviously simultaneously been the pretty much main driver when it comes to ongoing inflation pressures. About 35% of the CPI report is based on that. Again, bottom line, we got cooler than expected inflation report. Again, that's normally going to be very good for the bond market. Obviously, though, a lot of different transitions in regards to what's the expectation when it comes to tariffs, what's going to be the potential impact when it comes to that stuff. Wholesale inflation, also known as a PPI, Producer Price Index, that is important. That also declined 0.4% from February to March. Annual rate dropping from 3.2 to 2.7. Again, it's important to see this data on the PPI front because, again, it's really a main impact of the PCE report that we'll get towards the end of the month. Again, that is the Federal Reserve's favorite measure on inflation, giving us an idea set forth later for April 30th as to what's the indication. Again, recent data, guys, shows that home prices continue to appreciate at 0.3%. With ICE obviously reporting a 0.11% increase as well. We're starting to see a little bit of an uptick on unemployment claims, up 223,000, still low, but again, continuing jobs claims at 1.8, still relatively remaining high. And then again, expectations heading into next week, we're going to see updates when it comes to home builder confidence on Wednesday. We're going to see new construction on Thursday, retail sales numbers, and then obviously the new unemployment claims. Of course, we'll keep you guys updated as we continue pushing through when it comes to this and take it from there.